Hey guys, what's up? So I'm going to be installing the AFE Power Momentum GT cold air intake. I've done a little bit of prep work. I put all the bands on already. There's a little scoop. I'm actually taking this out and putting it back in just to show y'all how it's done. I got the dry filter. So I fill up with FlexFuel in my 6.2. Did about a 3-hour round trip on the highway yesterday. Got about 9.8 gallons per miles per gallon. I don't really have anything to compare because I put it in my truck pretty much as soon as I got the truck. So like I said, everything's already been done. These are here, brass fittings, that. It comes with some blue Loctite to put on the threads, so make sure you get that. It also comes with another little brass neck and this hose. You're only going to use this hose if you have some kind of airline that hooks up on the back side of this little air intake, the stock one. I don't have it, so hopefully you don't have it. So first thing you're going to want to do is come over here on the right side of your stock intake, take this tube off and this tube off. You just lift this little blue clamp up with your fingernail or the tip of your finger and pop it off. You're going to remove this and you're going to take this and loosen that up, and then it'll pop right out. Of course, you guys don't really need me to show you how to take that off. And then on the left side over here, you have these two screws. Go ahead and take those out. There's 2 of them. I used a 8mm. That'll come out, and your stock box will have 2 rubber little collars with a steel neck on the inside. You're gonna come over here to your AFE box and you're gonna put them in here. And then some prep work you might have to do. If your battery has a strap over the top of it, you're gonna have to take that out. I just cut mine out. Otherwise it's gonna interfere with the hood scoop coming over the top of it. And right here to take this stock one out, there's a little tab right there. Push it in and lift it up. It'll be easier if you don't have a cell phone. There's one on the other side too. Try to zoom in on it. Right there. Alright, so all your stock components are out now. Put those out of the way. Stock filter. Gonna take your your AFE box. Pop it in there. Make sure it's seated properly. Holes are lined up. I wouldn't screw it down yet. Like I said, I did some prep work. Gotta put that on there too. slide it into the box. And tighten that guy up. So this one is going to be a size 10. A deep collar socket would be better, but I don't know where mine is, so I'm having to do it this way. Good enough for government work. And you're gonna grab a little intake tube, line it up. I'm doing all of this with one hand, so it's a little bit harder, but if I can do it with one hand, you guys can do it with two. Oh, shit. All right, I'm gonna try to set this up somewhere. All right, so it's on there. This nut is a size 11. Now, if you do have, I think it's some kind of air hose back here. If you do have that, your kit should have came with a T plastic fitting, and then that would go from there with the supplied rubber hose somewhere back here. I don't know how tight, just till it's snug. And you come over here, that guy, make sure it clicks, get this other hose. And then there's little mounts around here. There's one. Let's make sure it's seated into that. Come over here, tighten up this guy. It's probably gonna be a 10 too. Oh, great. I lied. It's actually an 11. And hopefully you can find your proper tools so you don't have to be like me right now. All right, so we got all the bands tightened up. Got your air lines plugged in. Now you're gonna grab your little screw with a little bit of dexterity. Put it right. Fuck. In the hole. Ooh. All right, this is gonna be size 8. You guys get the idea. You don't need to see me tighten them up. Yeah. Now, that's done. So if you didn't get the Momentum air scoop, these come with a little plug, and you're gonna put the plug there, and you would have left the stock air scoop in. I would say don't be a poor. Go ahead and buy the scoop. Otherwise, it's only really doing half of the job that it can do. And it's only like 40, 50 plus shipping. So I think it's worth it. Now the scoops are going to be advertised as the 2017 to 2019 6.7 liter. So it's not going to say 6.2 liter, it's going to say 6.7 liter. But rest assured, that is it. It's going to come with this little rubber thing. Put it on. Yeah, like I mentioned earlier, if your battery has the handle, you're gonna cut that off, otherwise it's gonna get in the way. So cut it out. Deal with the issues that will cause later when you need a new battery. And this is gonna just pop right in. There's a little hole down there. Make sure you get that in there. Move these. Move that out of the way, make sure it's down. Just like the stock one, this has these little clamps. Clamps are gonna go in just the same. No, crap. Oh yeah, duh. Make sure you put this end in first. Yeah. They sent some cool stickers, just in case you forget. All the other crap that says AFE power, put it in there, it increases horsepower by 5. And if you broke the little torque, the little plastic flux capacitor that goes there, I don't know, it'll be fine. I broke mine, I haven't used it at all. That's it. If you guys have anything else you want me to try out on the Gen 4 2017 2019 6.2 liter F-250s, let me know. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it. I only use FlexFuel. I have 35s also, so my mileage is gonna suck either way, but I like to think that this helps a little bit. I don't have any prior info on mileage to compare it to. But yeah, it's a big old truck. FlexFuel is cheap. It'll be all right. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions. It's pretty simple. Yeah.